In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoho remote session. Whether you're working from home or need support from a technician, connecting via a remote session can be incredibly efficient and hassle-free. I'll walk you through the steps to seamlessly join a session. First, head over to the Zoho Assist website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL www.zoho.com/assist. This web address will lead you directly to the Join Remote Support Session page of Zoho Assist. Keep in mind that this page is essential as it serves as the gateway to connecting with your technician, who will assist you remotely. Once you're on the Zoho Assist Join page, you'll notice a field requesting a session ID. The session ID is a unique code generated by the Zoho system, which your technician will provide to you in advance. It's important to have this session ID on hand as it acts as your personal entry ticket to the session. Enter the session ID carefully into the required field. Be sure to double-check for any typos since entering the wrong ID could prevent you from joining the correct session. After you've entered the session ID, the next step is to type in your name. This might seem like a simple detail, yet it's crucial. Your name allows the technician to know exactly who they're connecting with and ensures that the support is personalized to you. Input your name in the designated field, making sure it's spelled correctly. With the session ID and your name in place, your final step is to click on the Join Session button. This might be the simplest step, yet it is the most pivotal. Once you click on this button, your request to join the remote session will be sent. Shortly after clicking, you should see a confirmation that you've successfully entered the session. Within moments, your technician will be able to connect with your device remotely and commence the support session. Throughout this process, ensure your internet connection is stable, as this will help the session run smoothly without interruptions. Remember, the technician is there to assist and resolve any technical issues you might have, so feel free to communicate clearly and provide any information that might be useful. By following these steps, you'll find that joining a Zoho remote session is straightforward and user-friendly. With Zoho's reliable platform, you can confidently engage in remote sessions and receive the support you need efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.